just talk about few accounts topic which will actually talk about the basics of accounts, where I will be talking about the bookkeeping kind of a thing. And what bookkeeping is all about is it's kind of a transactions of the accounts, and the basic concepts of accounts is going to be your kind of real account. What is real account is that it is going to talk about the corporate who is going to be kind of the purchase and the demand, where you're just giving the cash to someone else. And here also it is going to be a kind of a personal account. And above all, I'm just going to talk about is your debit and the credit. This is the most important unique USB of accounts where this has to follow. Where now if I'm talking about debit, it's what you're actually receiving in. And if I'm talking about credit, what actually you're giving. Now what is the difference of receiving and giving is that receiving I might receive a kind of a purchase, or I might talk about even the cash transactions which is going to occur in the business transactions. And the real account if I'm talking about, it says the debit, the receiver, and credit the giver. And next I'm going to talk about is the personal account. Personal account which talks about the transactions of personal records in the business. If I'm talking about the personal transactions in the business is where I might withdraw cash from the business. I'm a proprietor for the business. I can withdraw for my personal use or for any other transactions, which again if I'm putting it here is debit all what comes in, and credit what goes out. This what comes in and what goes out, I'm just talking about monetary value. If any transactions is that if I'm talking about a personal account withdraw for my personal use, this can actually work out what is actually coming in. So for me the cash is coming in. So I'm talking about individual what is coming in for me. So I'm drawing cash from my business. So for me cash is coming in, and what's going out from my business is money. Either I can take it from my bank account or I can pull it from my cash book. And the last is that your nominal account, where it says debit all your expenses and losses, and credit talks about all your incomes and gains. If you ask me what is expenses and losses, is that if I'm talking about, it's kind of the advance rent that I just paid to the landlord, or it's kind of a prepaid insurance there where I talk about paying insurance for my entire premises. So this comes under nominal account. And there we talk about the journals. It's a first bookkeeping entry where we keep it up in the book. Transactions are kept actually in the debit and the credit side. And next I'm talking about is the ledger account, where you're just transferring from a ledger, journal entry to a ledger entry. And then we just post them into the other subsidiary books like your cash books and the purchase books. Then we take it forward to the trading account, and we also talk about profit and loss account with balance sheets.